Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the shark filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending. Here slide right until you see world. Tap there. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and your camera is by default now back camera. Let's see where is the shark. Yeah, this is the shark. Okay, let's wait for the shark again. Come on. Yep. So this is the shark filter, guys. And if you are not finding the filter like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for shark filter. Here you will see many videos with this effect. Now tap on any video you want, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. This is in yellow and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there and you can access the filter from there. Okay, where is the shark? Okay, and if you are still not finding the filter, then what you can do, let me go back. What you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise you can get this shark filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.